Hey everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to add products in cart on Lazada. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to add products in cart on Lazada. Maybe because you want to purchase a lot of products, so you want to buy them, but before buying, you have to add them into cart and you don't know how to do it. Or maybe you're looking to buy a lot of things, so you want to check out at once by adding the products into cart at once. Or there could be any other reason for you. So, whatever the reason it could be, in this video, I'll show you how easily you can add products in cart on Lazada. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, we have to make sure that you have already installed the Lazada app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. Once app get installed, make sure you have created your account on it and you're also logged in with your account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Lazada app to open it. Once the app gets open, you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. We have some of the promotion, different categories on the top of the screen, and into the middle of the screen there are different products that you could purchase and some options at the bottom as well. So now if you want to add products into cart so that you could purchase them, so you have to open the cart, or you could say you have to open the profile of the product, then you could add that product into your cart. You can add as much as product you want in your cart or any product of your choice. So let's say this is the watch that we will see how we could add it. So here I have opened the watch profile and now it is showing me some of its videos and images. Then I will read its description, go through all its details including reviews. Now if you like the product, you could add it. So here we have this option, we say add to cart. Once you click on it, it will now show you its variation so that you could choose what kind of variation like size, color you want in that product. So you choose it and then just simply click on add to cart. But before that, you can also manage the quantity. If you want more quantity, you can add them, but you can also less it. And once you're done with it, just simply click on add to cart, and after that it will be added to your cart. Now you can get access to your cart from this option, but there's another option through which you can get access to your cart. For that, you have to get back, and once you get back, at the bottom you will see an option which says cart, which is the fourth option to the right. Once you tap onto that option, you will see the products that you have added will be in your cart. Now you can purchase them by checking out, and then the product will get delivered to your place. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can add products in your cart on Lazada. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.